So here we're finding the surface area again, but this case we're finding the surface area of a square pyramid. In this case, it's a net. Remember, a net is an unfolded shape. If I were to fold together, it would be a square pyramid because all those triangles would come to one point, kind of like the pyramids in Egypt. So remember, surface area, you're finding the area of each face. You're looking at it's kind of like individual shapes, and then at the end we add them all together. So I'm looking at this square first. And remember, for area of a square, it's area equals base times height. So if I'm looking right here, I'm looking for my base first. My base is 2. My height, also 2. So in order to just define the square in the middle, I'm going to say 2 times 2. That's going to give me my area of 4. So remember, 4 is only for that square in the middle. Now we're going to work on the triangles. So I'm looking at this triangle right here. So be careful when you find the area of a triangle. Remember, triangles are smaller, so it's a different formula. Your triangle's area equals 1/2 base times height. Don't forget that 1/2. So I'm looking at my triangle right here, and I'm going to say, okay, well, this is my base. What's that measurement for the base? Remember, this is a square, so if this is 2, that's 2. So I know my base is 2. And the height of that triangle from the very bottom to the very top, they give me as 3. So I'm going to plug it in right here. I have 1/2. My base is 2. My height is 3. And because now we're going to multiply it all together. So I'm going to say 1/2 of 2. That gives me 1, or 2 divided by 2. Bring down what you did not use, which was the 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. So I know one triangle is 3. And if you notice, they all have bases of 2, and they're all going to have heights of 3. So all 4 triangles are actually the exact same size. So instead of finding that same triangle 4 different times, I know one triangle is 3. I know I have 4 different triangles. So I'm just going to say 3, the area of the triangle, times the amount of triangles, 4. So the area of all 4 triangles is 12. So again, each one's 3. So I added 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which got me 12. And then don't forget to add the middle, the square, because that's part of your surface area. And that square was 4. So just 12 plus 4, it's going to give me 16 units against surface area squared.